Good morning, it's Chris Lingenfelter with Robot Advisors, and we're here in Stuttgart, Germany, which just so happens to be the global headquarters for two automotive manufacturing companies, Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. Behind me is the Porsche Museum, and around us there are Porsche factories practically on every corner. But we're not here to talk cars, we're here to talk robots for warehouses. So come with me and let's go check out what's on the show floor at LogiMAT 2024. So I'm here with Andrey Bakholdin from Brightpick, a frequent interviewee for Robot Advisors, but we have some very exciting news to share. Do you want to share it with them?
Yeah, so we won Best Product Award at LogiMAT.
Amazing. So Best Product, and I was thinking about it, you know, it makes sense because your system allows the mechatronics to pick in the aisle. But you also need a lot less equipment.
Exactly, because each robot saves all of that unnecessary travel distance from not having to go back and forth to picking stations by picking directly where the items are stored. So that means that each robot can pick what we see in the data, 60 to 80% more items per hour than other comparable solutions, which means fewer robots, easier installation, lower cost.
Amazing, awesome. All right. Well, hey, again, congratulations. Good luck this week here in Stuttgart, Germany. And we'll be watching Brightpick and all the great things that you're up to. All right. Take care. I'm with Fehim Duzgun of Bluepath Robotics. Fehim, this is our first interview with Bluepath Robotics, so I'm excited to learn a little bit about your company and your products, but let's start with the company.
The Bluepath Robotics is the spin-off company from the Ford Otosan. The Ford Otosan is a joint venture company between Ford and the Turkish Koç Group. This is one of the biggest family group, so it's a joint venture, the Ford Otosan. So the Bluepath Robotics is the spin-off company from the Ford Otosan. So we just started the business as last November with the name of the Bluepath Robotics.
Okay.
Now we are completely separated company, but belongs to the Ford Otosan. We have the AMR products, hardware, and also we have the robotic software products.
Okay.
As a Bluepath Robotics, we have three core values.
Three core values.
Okay. Yeah. One is the high tech. We are implementing every kind of high-tech technology in our products.
Okay.
The second one, end-to-end solution. We are giving to customers to end-to-end solution, hardware, software, and all the things. So we don't want to tire our customers to give turnkey solutions. The last one, but the most important one, is the customer satisfaction. So we are very oriented to the customer centric and customer satisfaction. So not only the after-sales service, we will look our customer as a partner and we will make an engagement. We will always stand with our customers all the time.
Excellent.
Okay.
Well, hey, good luck. Like
Thank you very much.
With your
Thank you.
very
Nice to meet
first
you.
trade show outside of Turkey, and I have to say, it looks for the first time. You go big or go home.
Yeah,
right?
we are excited and we are hungry.
All right.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
This is Kai Beckhaus, who is president and CEO of WAGNER Fire Systems. And you told me about this really, really interesting fire safety system. And I was a bit skeptical myself, but I want you to take us through it. And you have some installations in the US as well.
Everyone knows sprinkler systems, but if a sprinkler goes off, you have a fire that already takes place, damages something, you have smoke damage, you have water from the sprinkler that can cause damage, and it's really there to contain a fire until the firefighters come to take it out. So instead of allowing that, what we do is we permanently lower the oxygen level in the warehouse protected area by introducing nitrogen. We just take the ambient air from the outside, the ambient air you and I are breathing whenever we're outside, and we separate it into two main components, oxygen and nitrogen first. And the oxygen we give directly back to Mother Earth for growth of plants and everything, and the nitrogen we now introduce into the protected area by that, we dilute the oxygen that's in there and lower it to a level where human beings can still easily breathe. It's the same amount of oxygen your body gets like you're in an airplane, where the pressurized cabin is not the same as the ground level. Or if you go skiing or on the mountain, same amount of oxygen your body gets, but at the operation level where the warehouse is, this lower amount of oxygen prevents fires. And we can demonstrate that too, and walk into the room later to show you how the lighter is not working inside there.
So, Kai, I've got the lighter. It obviously works, right?
So let's see how that works
I think
inside.
maybe there's some Bluetooth and someone's turning it off remotely. No? Okay. So we go in and
let's see how that works.
Okay.
And it's out.
So Kai, really can't get this to go.
No.
What if I?
No way.
No way.
You still have the little spark, but the gas is coming and it's not really the fire does not have enough oxygen.
Excellent, Kai.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alrighty. Okay, so I am here in Hall 6 with a company called Smart Robotics from Holland, and I'm joined by Heico Sandee. Heico is the founder and CEO of Smart Robotics, and I want to know what made you start a company called Smart Robotics?
What made me start it? Actually quite an easy question, because if you look at logistics, then I'm always amazed that everything is still done by hand. I'm like why? Because there's so much of beautiful technology. That's on the customer side, and if you then look at the technology side, if you see the acceleration the last 10-15 years that AI is making, and you actually combine these two and help AI actually solving our logistics challenges within the handling space, it's sort of natural to start a company for me. We are in a stage that we have solutions for parcels, so like both decanting as well as the loading of pallets or roller cages, but also on item picking, so like camera-based technology to do the order picking or to do inducting of sorters, for instance. So actually quite capable now to deliver our customers with the AI to actually solve their picking challenges.
Heico, thank you very much for introducing us to Smart Robotics
It was a
and
pleasure.
your mixed case palletizing system. Good luck with the rest of the show, folks. If you're here in Stuttgart, they're right in the front of Hall 6.
Yep.
It's 6805. Come take a look at Smart Robotics.
Great, thanks so much.
All right, cheers. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
I'm here with Christoph Dreesbach. Those of you who watched the Robot Advisors video from last year will remember that we had an interview, but the booth is a bit bigger this time, and you're showing off some new capabilities. But tell us how the past year has been for Cellgo.
The last year have been very good for us. We have a bigger booth here right now because we have a few warehouses at customers right now, and they are running pretty well. And this is why we decided to have a bigger booth and to get some new customers here at the LogiMAT.
Excellent, excellent. So tell us a little bit about the system for those that didn't see the interview last year.
The system is a pretty cool warehouse that includes everything. We have a very small warehouse that can be extended very easily. So you can start with a few bins, just a few hundred bins, and we have very flat robots that drive beneath the bins and can lift them up. And the cool thing about our warehouse is that we have the whole software in it. So you just have a very, very easy API, and you can just start with it very easy. And you can reduce your costs for automatization in your small part warehousing 10 times.
Excellent. And I heard there's some goodies in here. Can we get something?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
all right.
Of course, we can just try it.
So you've put in an order, and now it's telling me to pick some water, some Cellgo water. And does it know which location I'm taking it from?
Yes, you have this display where you have a picture, and if we have a box that is divided into different areas, then the system tells you where your water is.
Okay.
And then you can directly take it out.
And I say, okay, I took one.
Mhm.
And it wants me to take some pretzels.
Yes, your system has more than one job right now.
Saltlets pretzels. Looks good. And the order is done, and the window closes, and away the tote goes. So, Christoph, thank you for the snacks and the introduction to the Cellgo system. It's quite clever. There is one very clever secret that I want to tell people about. Come with me. This is something that Mick Mounts at Kiva has been talking about doing forever, is being able to hook up the demo system and take it to someone's warehouse and just show them how it works. So this is what you're doing, isn't it?
Yes. So it's very easy to show customers what we are doing, because we can just take our trailer, drive to them, and can show them with our trade fair warehouse what the warehouse at the customer's place will look like.
So you have a demo warehouse on wheels.
Yes.
But how are we going to get it to the United States? We put it on the QE2 and it comes over on a ship?
Yes, we'll do that.
All right, you tell me when. All right, thank you, Christoph. So I'm here with Jennifer Liu from Megvii, a Chinese manufacturer of AMR systems. And we've actually interviewed you guys this time last year here in LogiMAT, but you have some exciting news, and I'm very excited. You have your first contract in the U.S.
Yes.
Congratulations, that's exciting.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit for folks about the company and.
Actually, Megvii is a leading AI company, and we set up our robotics and automation business division in Beijing to power material handling with AI technology. So our Megvii solutions covers ASRS, AMR, and AI. So for the ASRS, we actually apply our 3D polyshuttle system, which is with a high flexibility, high scalability, and also the high reliability. So actually, our uniqueness is not only for the high density of the storage, but also for the high throughput due to our strong capability of the software.
So you're announcing a new solution here.
Yes.
Jennifer, tell me about the new solution.
Okay. Actually, this time we bring about the hybrid picking solutions to LogiMAT, which means that we can integrate several kinds of AMRs in the same scenarios to finish the picking solutions for customers, either from the pallets or from the totes or from the shelves. So which means that you can really simplify the whole process of the material flow in the warehouse.
So folks, if you're here in Stuttgart, you'll definitely want to come check out Megvii in Hall 6, in the G column at row, I think we're at 45.
Yeah.
G45.
Yeah.
Excellent, Jennifer. Thank you so much. You take care.
Yeah.